climate crisis is one of the greatest challenges in human history, threatening the preservation and development of natural and human systems around the globe. Emerging economies and developing countries are particularly severely affected by the negative impacts of climate change. Climate and development are closely intertwined. To inform decision-making for better and more timely climate policies and strengthening of resilience, effective monitoring, evaluation, and learning is key.
This workshop will take participants to the world of climate change and development. We look at current concepts, frameworks, use a lot of practical examples, and take a lot of emphasis on participants' engagement and interactions. In the end, participants will go out equipped with tools and methods to be able to conduct state-of-the-art evaluations on climate change and development.
Evaluating climate mitigation and adaptation interventions faces a number of particular challenges. This includes an incomplete understanding of future changes in climate, socioeconomic and ecological systems, as well as their interactions. In order to cope with these challenges and to provide useful and up-to-date information for better policies, evaluation increasingly needs more systematic and rigorous approaches to synthesize existing knowledge and to fill evidence gaps. Topics addressed in this course include the evaluation of climate-relevant concepts, resilience, vulnerability, loss and damage, and transformation, the role of evaluation in the context of the COP negotiations and global stocktakes, as well as SDG and country-led evaluation. On the method side, we cover approaches for the evaluation of climate finance and development impact through evidence reviews, advanced case study analysis, and geospatial evaluation.
This workshop will draw upon our comprehensive experience at the German Institute for Development Evaluation, DEWAL, in conducting evaluations in climate change, which we've done over the past couple of years with our international partners in multilateral organizations, evaluation units of OECD countries, universities around the globe, civil society organizations, and of course our colleagues, evaluators in the Global South.
This workshop is interactive, using a sequence of lectures and case studies, practical group work, and exchange among instructors and participants. So it should also be fun.
Our course builds on the workshop Evaluation at the Nexus of Environment and Development by the Independent Evaluation Office of the Global Environment Facility. We provide a deep dive into the evaluation of climate change and development.
So in short, this workshop aims to increase your knowledge and your skills to conduct high-quality evaluations on that complex topic of climate change and development. And we hope to see you in person in beautiful Bern, Switzerland at our two-day workshop. Until then, all the best and see you soon.